Okay, for those of you that have already added a battery cable under there and ran it up to the block up here, you're not going to have to follow all the steps. You're just going to have to remove this piece only, and our harness will plug in line back here. All right, now that we got both of the seats out, we can take out the trim. So we're gonna have to take out the main assembly here and take this piece off up here. To start the process, we can start up here in the upper compartment trim. There's 2 pins that you'll need to remove. Take those out of there. In this lower one, there's also 2 pins that you need to remove. Take those out of there, and then we'll work down. We got 2 Phillips headed screws. Granted, here we have started the process here already to loosen them all up. Get that out. Then we can, once that's out, you can move that out of the way. And then on the back side, you can reach in and you unplug your switch, and then you can get those out of the way.
And these just got to release.
Yeah, the release tab is on the top.
That one there,
just
and
depress.
this one here.
And that one's just a little tab right there that you pull to get it out. All right, so let's get the upper seat cushion off. So to do that, there's a little release in the front. Lift it and it pulls off. Done deal. Okay, after you get the cushion off, you're gonna see there's 4 bolts that are holding in the seat. We got 2 up front and there's 2 in the back. Just gotta slide it forward there, and you got 2 in the back. And once you take those off, the seat assembly just pulls right out. Okay, after that's done, we can do, there's gonna be, we're gonna go to this panel.
So I need to take these.
We got 3 clips under there. We just get those out of the way to give us a little room. There is a Phillips screw in here. Then you have a push pin there and there, a Phillips screw, and the same on the other side of it.
Careful not to lose your washer.
Don't lose the washer. Okay, then we got 2 push pins right here. All right, then we need to take the panel above the tank, above the gas tank out. Move that out of the way. And that's off. And when that's removed, you can take your center console rear assembly out. Out she comes. Now we'll move into the side piece up here. Pull your pins off. In the cup holder assembly, there's 2 screws as well. Phillips screws that need to come out. Okay. Then repeat for the other side, and then once all those are out, you can remove that plastic insert. You want to grab the side over there, just get it out of the way. And once that's out, you can wiggle that piece. You can wiggle that piece right out. And there we go. You got that piece out. Now we got that disassembled. The battery's out. Now we have access to it. So let's add our new positive battery cable. I'm gonna route it through. Reach up through here. Alright, came on through there, just pull it on through. Go right through the little access hole right there. And then you'll see we got a vacant stud right there. I think that was vacant, right? Beautiful.
Yeah, so then, yeah, let's add that. Alright, there, so that's...
Alright, got that installed on there. Alright, now that we got it connected up there, let's secure it around here. Just kind of route it along the bottom of the tray up to there. You can use a zip tie or something if you want to tie it off here and here. And then you can put your battery back in, and then we'll make the final connection up top. Alright, now you can make the connection at the battery. So we're going to loosen the top bolt there. That's an 8mm. Then we're going to put that underneath. Put her through. and snug that up, and then we'll come back up to the top here and we'll snug down the nut up here as well, and then that part of the installation is complete. Now we're going to add our additional ground. It's just going to be a jump from the current ground that's here and here. So basically what you can do is you're going to loosen this one all the way, loosen this one all the way, and then we'll mount it up. I'll fast forward to this part.
Yeah.
All right. So we want to put this one behind, and then you can just start it back up. All right, that's snug. Snug this one down, and then your added ground is done. All right. Now we're gonna get into mounting the switch relay harness. It's gonna be the same install if you choose a 2 or a 4. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna route this under the bar up here, and then you'll see there's a little hole up there. You can just use the included clip, snap it in, and your relay mounts there out of harm's way. And then you'll make your connection here. Okay, so we'll make the orange is gonna go accessory. Black ground, red is your battery positive. Alright, then we put the orange one, goes on the accessory stud. Alright, and lastly you put the red to the battery positive one. Connect that, and the battery connections are done. Okay, after those are connected, you can route this is the part that will go to the switches and stuff. We made them long, so if you want to route to the other side of the dash, you can, or you can route to where the cutouts are in the center, whichever you prefer. And then on the opposite end of them, you have your 4 plugs that go into your add-on accessories, and that's how we do it.